Understanding and resolving pending issue halts on unemployment benefits.
Hello and welcome. Today, we'll be discussing a crucial topic. What is a pending issue halt related to unemployment benefits and how can it be resolved? This is a critical issue for anyone who is depending on these benefits, and knowing how to effectively deal with it can ensure that your income is not unnecessarily disrupted.
What is a pending issue halt?
Let's start with understanding what a pending issue halt actually is. It refers to a situation where your unemployment benefits are temporarily stopped due to some unresolved issue. This could be due to discrepancies in your application, incorrect or missing information, or any other problem that requires clarification or further investigation by the unemployment agency.
Why does a pending issue halt occur?
Now that we know what it is, why does a pending issue halt occur? There are several reasons this can happen. You might have accidentally made an error when filling out your weekly claim. Perhaps you didn't report any earnings for a week you were actually employed, or maybe you were not able or available to work for some reason. These and other issues may trigger a halt on your benefits until the issue is resolved.
How can a pending issue halt be resolved?
So how can we resolve a pending issue halt? Here are the steps you should follow. 1. Identification. Firstly, you need to find out the exact reason for the halt. This information is usually available on your unemployment benefits account. 2. Documentation. Once you know the problem, gather all necessary documents that could help in resolving the issue. This might include employment records, pay stubs, or any other relevant documentation. 3. Communication. Contact your unemployment agency. This could be through an online portal, a phone call, or an in-person visit. Explain the situation and provide any necessary information or documentation to help resolve the issue. 4. Follow-up. Stay in contact with the agency and check your account regularly for updates. Remember, patience and proactiveness are key here. These issues can take some time to resolve, but staying on top of the situation and providing all necessary information can help speed up the process. In conclusion, a pending issue halt is a hurdle that you may face while receiving unemployment benefits, but it's not insurmountable. By understanding what it is, why it happens, and how to resolve it, you can minimize the disruption to your benefits. Remember, the unemployment agency is there to help you. Don't hesitate to reach out to them with any questions or concerns you may have. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. Keep going strong, and remember, this is just a temporary phase. Better times are surely ahead. Thank you for watching.